How to use Google Maps Street View. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to use Google Maps Street View on your computer. And later, I will show you how to on your mobile phone. This should be a quick video since it's easy, so if it helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment down below. So let's jump straight to the video. First, let's open up our browser and search for Google Maps. But if you are already on Google, you can click here on the top right, then select the maps, and it will take you straight there. So once in here, find for the place that you want to look by searching here. I will try searching for Venice Beach and press enter. And it will bring me to it, and we can see the map of Venice Beach. So what we can do now is choose any of the roads as long as there is available view in it. So at the bottom right here, you can see this little yellow dude. If you drag it, you can see it do a little swing around your cursor. And you will notice that the map changed a bit. You can see that the streets are blue now. These are the streets that has an available street view in it. So choose where you want to look at and drop this yellow guy. And it will take you to the street view of that place. You can look around by click and dragging your mouse. You can also go to other positions by clicking on the ground. You can also zoom in case you want to take a closer look. As we can see here, this is the Venice Beach. There's also a plus and minus button here on the bottom to zoom. If you press the compass here, it will arrange the view to face the north direction. Clicking on the arrows beside it will rotate the view. And lastly, you can see here the minimap. If you hover, it will enlarge. You can see here where you are currently at. So that is how to use Google Street View on PC. Now, let me show you how to use on the phone. On mobile, we first need to have Google Maps installed. If you don't have, go to your App Store and download it. Then we can now open it. Once you are on the app, search for the place again. Notice that it is different in the mobile version. As you can see, there's no yellow guy in here. Also, look at here, you can see the image of the place. However, if you click it, it's not really the street view, rather it's just a picture. What you have to do is to long press the place you want to view and a pin will appear there as well as a new photo. Clicking on the photo will enter the street view. Same as the PC version, you can look around or move your position, as well as zoom by pinching your screen. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helps you. Once again, leave a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.